Learning colors with balloons and friends. Cutie Pie Kids Worlds. Hello, little friends. Welcome back to Cutie Pie Kids Worlds. Are you ready to have some fun and learn about colors today? Let's go. Look at all these wonderful balloons. Let's count them and see how many colors we can find. Here's a red balloon. Can you say red? Here's a blue balloon. Blue. Ooh, a yellow balloon. Yellow. Green balloon. Wow, green. And what about this one? It's a pink balloon. Red, blue, yellow, green, and pink. Let's dance around. What do you think? Colors are everywhere. Let's find some more. Count and clap. Jump on the floor. Can you clap 5 times? Great job. Now let's look for colors around you. Animated or real friends searching for colored objects in the room or outside. Friend 1. I found a red apple. Friend 2. I have a blue ball. What colors can you find at home? Tell us in the comments or shout it out loud. Let's play a quick game. Which color is the sun? That's right, yellow. Which balloon is shaped like a heart? Yes, the pink one. Goodbye and thank you. You did an amazing job today. You learned so many colors with us. Don't forget to subscribe to Cutie Pie Kids Worlds for more fun and learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.